Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sorin Space. So far, we have discussed time as an index, entropy as a constraint, and time existing even without observers. Now we arrive at a concept we usually treat as fundamental: causality. Cause leads to effect. Action produces result. The past determines the future. But today, we ask a dangerous question. What if causality is not fundamental? What if causality is a side effect of entropy-constrained time? 1. The illusion of cause and effect. We experience the world as a chain of causes and effects. A cup falls because gravity pulled it. A fire burns because oxygen reacted with fuel. A decision leads to an outcome because the choice caused it. This feels obvious. But notice something subtle. We never observe cause itself. We only observe sequences of states. State A is followed by state B. Causality is inferred. It is never directly seen. 2. Ordering comes before causality. Before cause and effect, there is ordering. Some states can follow others. Some transitions are allowed, some are forbidden. This ordering exists even without interpretation, even without meaning. Entropy enforces direction. Low entropy configurations can evolve into higher entropy ones. The reverse transitions are overwhelmingly inaccessible. From this asymmetry, a direction appears. From direction, causality is constructed. 3. Causality is not a law. It is a pattern. Physical laws describe constraints, not intentions. They do not say this must cause that. They say this transition is permitted, that transition is not. Causality emerges when an observer compresses vast numbers of microstate transitions into a simple narrative. We label earlier states as causes and later states as effects because entropy guarantees the ordering will not reverse. Causality is the stability of sequence. 4. Why causes never point backward. We never say the broken cup caused the fall. We never say smoke caused the fire, not because it is illogical, but because entropy forbids those directions. Once information disperses, it cannot be recollected without external work. Memory follows the same gradient. We remember causes and observe effects because both align with entropy increase. Causality and memory share the same arrow. 5. A world without causality. Imagine a universe with no entropy gradient. Every transition reversible, every state equally accessible. In such a universe, cause and effect lose meaning. Events cannot be stably ordered. Prediction fails. Memory collapses. Causality requires irreversibility. Without an arrow of time, cause and effect dissolve into symmetry. 6. What this means for reality. Causality does not drive the universe. The universe evolves under constraint. Causality is how limited observers describe stable patterns within those constraints. This does not make causality false. It makes it emergent, reliable enough to build with, not fundamental enough to rule. 7. Closing. So cause does not create effect. Constraint creates sequence. Entropy selects direction, and the mind names this pattern causality. Causality is not the engine of time. It is the shadow cast by irreversibility. When paths cannot be reversed, stories become one way, and we call those stories cause and effect. Thank you.